Here's another hard question for you. If 0 is less than or equal to a, which is less than or equal to b, and we got this inequality right here, what is the least possible value of b? We're going to pay attention to that later. That's going to be important. But for now, let's go ahead and simplify this expression right here. Remember that a plus b squared means that you are multiplying a plus b to itself. And if I expand that expression, that's going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And we're going to subtract a minus b squared. So we're going to do the same thing, multiply a minus b to itself. And remember to put that result in parentheses because you're going to have to subtract the whole result of that. A squared minus 2ab and negative b times negative b is a positive b squared. So here's usually where I see the first mistake. People forget to distribute that negative. It ends up being negative a squared plus 2ab minus b squared. Now we're going to combine like terms. We're going to combine the red terms with the blue terms. And things are going to start to cancel off like that a squared and that b squared. Combining 2ab and 2ab. Now we got 4ab is more than or equal to 9. And let's just get ab by itself at this point. So we're just going to divide by 4 on both sides. ab is more than or equal to 9/4. But we're going to go ahead and type this on the calculator so you see what this graph looks like. This is what that graph will look like. But we're not going to look at the whole graph because we have to pay attention to this inequality right here where it says that a is less than or equal to b. So that's really only talking about this part of the graph. And we are trying to look for the least possible value of b. So if you observe this graph right here, when a is a really small number, then b approaches infinity. And as we increase the value of a, the value of b is decreasing. But remember that a can only be less than or equal to b. And at the point where a equals b, which is the answer right there, that is the time where we get the least value of b for that expression. So paying attention to this part of the information, the least possible value of b is when b equals 1.5 or 3/2. Hope you got some good review out of that one. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.